Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how you can change the date of birth in TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, go to TikTok and then open your profile. And if we want to change the date of birth, unfortunately, we cannot do it because the date of birth is set once during registration. But if we still want to try, there are two ways to do it. The first is to go to your profile. In the upper right-hand corner, click on the three dots, Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom and find the Report a Problem tab. And we'll need to send an email to TikTok with you, asking them to change our date of birth. Then click on Account and Profile. A new page opens. Click on Edit Profile. Scroll down to the bottom. Click here. It's uploading. Here we scroll down to the bottom and click on I need help. And then right here, we need to type in. As you can see, I already have it. You can pause and copy it. And also write, please change my date of birth, because I wrote it wrong, and write your correct date of birth. You may also be asked to confirm your data. Your information. You can attach a passport photo right away, and then click Submit. Maybe this way will work. TikTok will approve and change the date of your profile registration. Another way is to go back out to the home page, and we have to create a new account with you. Just create a new account. Then we can enter the correct date of birth again. Create an account, write a name, and thus change the date of birth in TikTok. These were two simple ways to do it. If you liked and helped this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.